Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks. In today's video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a gadget or something else. We will see what I am purchasing and what I am doing unboxing today. So let's start. Oh, and that one is a Skechers shoes. I purchased this Skechers shoes via Amazon, and the Skechers shoes price around 69 euro. So just Monday I ordered these shoes and today I am receiving. So we will see. Look, this type of look like the shoes. Oh, it's outstanding. It's look quite good. Sneakers come boot, and Skechers, you know very well about this brand. It's quite rich packing. So outstanding. Look at this set shoes. The shoes price is a 69 euro, around as Indian currency 4 to 5,000 in between. Now I will wear the shoes and we'll see how exactly look like after wearing the shoes. We'll see which types of comfort I am feeling, good or bad. I just wear the shoes. Before wearing, I just wear the socks. You can return also those shoes if you don't like. The shoe size is a 7. UK 41. See guys, look like the shoes on the back side of the jeans. I'm very happy and impressive wearing. You can wear the shoes as a formal also. It's quite good. So guys, this is a simple unboxing and review video of Skechers cleaners shoes, and this shoes price is very cheap, affordable, comfortable, and that one is a really amazing sole. The quality of the shoes quite good, rich, and especially on price. So if you really like this video, so you can buy the shoes also. Otherwise, before leaving, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming latest video comes in tech, research or some of the unboxing. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.